Welcome back to Cloud Pedagogy. In today's session, we will talk about what is server and serverless. First, we will see what is a server. Now, the technical definition of a server is a computer or a device that provides programmable service to another computer or its user. For non-technical person perspective, I would say server is anything that is ready to handle requests 24/7 as it's connected with the internet all the time. So now let's think about it is like this. Your computer is a program and you are its user. Let's say you wanted to connect to your Netflix account. You are actually connecting to your Netflix server that could be provisioned in the cloud with a specific CSP, that is cloud service provider like AWS, Azure or even Google Cloud. Now, by you connecting to the server, it allows you to have the experience dedicated to the server and what it's trying to provide for you. Now, as you learn more about servers, you will actually learn there are different types of servers, and here are a few. You have web servers, you have app servers, and you have the database servers. I'm not going to dig into the details, but all of them serve different purposes but can work together to accomplish one goal. That is giving the experience to you, the user. We are going to answer the question next, what is serverless? Now, serverless architecture and the concept itself can get a little complex. But let's try to tackle it here in the most basic way possible. It is a cloud-native development model that allows developers to build and run applications without having to manage servers. It means the cloud service provider allocates machine resources on demand. Now remember, when we talked about function as a service and how that model allows you to execute code in response to events. Well, serverless is the framework that makes that happen. So you, the user, creates the code that will allocate resources in response to certain event dependencies within that code. So the user would never have to manage any resources at all. The provider will allocate everything you need in response to the activity within your code or a function. And that is the basics of serverless. Did you ever wonder what to choose for your application? Server or serverless? There is no clear winner. Serverless computing is more affordable, scalable and time efficient as you can focus on coding instead of server maintenance. Serverless is more affordable as most cloud providers offer the on-demand feature. You only pay for what you have actually used without spending money on unutilized products and functions. On the other side, server computing gives you more control and ensures unlimited access to your data even with no internet connection. However, if you do not have high costs of maintenance and suffer from an unstable internet connection, sticking with server computing might be wise. So, it's up to your choice what to choose depending on your use case. Well, I think that's all that I have to say for this session. See you.